Hi students, today we are going to talk about the question paper design as well as the marking scheme for class 12th. A lot has been changed in class 12th. I have already told you about the deleted topics. So let's find out what the changes has been introduced by CBSE. Now let me tell you that previously in part A used to be of reading section, but now it included only the MCQ questions from reading section as well as from literature section. Part A carries 40 marks. In reading section 20 marks are there. You already know that note making has been deleted. So two passages are there, both are MCQ based one. First one will be which will be factual, descriptive and the literary one. But in the second question just little difference is introduced, that it will be a case based factual passage that includes statistic, data, chart and the newspaper report, but it will be MCQ based. In both there will be the 11 question and you have to attempt only the 10 question, and it will carry the 10 mark each. It means 20 marks for reading section. Now literature section 20 marks, MCQ based questions of 20 marks. The first part of literature, multiple choice question, टू प्रोज एक्सट्रैक्ट होंगे फ्लामिंगो और विस्टाज में से. इट मीन्स द 3 एक्सट्रैक्ट्स आर देयर एंड any 2 out of 3 you can do, and it carries 8 marks. Previously we used to have the poem extract, now it is textual based, so 8 marks are there, 4 for each. The next is fourth question, that is multiple choice question. Now this one is the poem extract which will be from the Flamingo, carrying 4 marks. Now the next question again from the text Flamingo and Vistas, and there will be 10 questions, out of which you have to attempt 8 questions, and it carries 8 marks. Now 50% you say weightage has been given to your literature. Previously it was less. Now part B stands for the subjective questions, 40 marks. Writing section 16 marks. Short writing task. First, previously we have only one question in short comprehension, but now there are the 2 questions. In the first part you are going to have only notice and advertisement, and now you can see format carries 1 mark. If format is incorrect, it means you are going to lose straight away 1 mark. So 1 mark for format, 1 mark for content and 1 mark for expression. The next question again from short composition, and it is totally based on the invitation, formal, informal and the reply one, up to 50 words, and again the format carries 1 mark. It carries 3 marks each. Question number 3, letters only, letter application for a job and letter to the editor, carries 5 marks. Again format carries 1 mark. Article and report writing will be there. Now debate and speech has been deleted, and the 2 questions will be there. You have to attempt only 1. Literature section 24, it means 20 MCQ and 24 subjective one. 44 marks have been given to literature. Answer type question out of 6 from prose and poetry from the book Flamingo, to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Only from the Flamingo you are going to have the 5 questions. You have to attempt 5 question out of 6. वो प्रोज से भी होंगे और पोइट्री से भी होंगे, and it may include the critical thinking also. 2 short question out of 3 जो है विस्टाज से करने होंगे आपको, and it carries 2 marks. The word limit 30 to 40 words. Now the question number 8 and 9, 1 from Flamingo, 1 from Vistas. 1 long answer type question you have to attempt out of the 2 question, and it carries 5 marks. So this is the detailed summary of 80 marks, and 20 marks will be assessed through your listening and speaking skill. These are the deleted topics which I have already told you. That in literature, Poet and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places, and the poem A Roadside Stand. In Vistas, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Deleted. Poster making must be, few of the student must be disheartened because it was scoring one, interesting one. Anyhow, in letters, business or official letters have been deleted. Speech and debate has also been deleted. And this one is your question paper design. 25% of your question paper will be for the reading section, carrying 20 marks. Creative writing skills, 20%, carrying 16 marks. Literature textbook, as I already told you, 44 marks. 55% weightage of the question paper goes to the literature section, and 80 marks total, and the grand total 100. Assessment of listening and speaking skill. I hope your queries must have been solved through this short video. Thank you and have a nice day.